Today, I'm showing you how to delete multiple or all contacts on your Android phone. Let's get started. Open Contacts app. Open the Contacts app on your Android phone. Don't use the phone app, use the dedicated Contacts app. Select Contacts to delete. Long press on one contact to select it. Tap on each contact you want to delete. A check mark appears on selected contacts. You can select as many as you want. Select All, optional. If you want to delete all contacts, tap on the three dots on the top right corner and then tap Select All, option. This selects every contact in your list. Delete selected contacts. After selecting contacts, tap the trash or delete icon at the top of the screen. Confirm deletion. A confirmation pop-up appears. Tap Delete or OK to permanently remove the selected contacts. Important notes. Deleted contacts can be recovered from trash within 30 days. Contacts synced with Google account will be deleted from all devices. WhatsApp chats remain even if you delete the contact. And some manufacturers have slightly different menu layouts. And that's it. You can now delete multiple or all contacts at once on your Android phone using the Contacts app or Google Contacts website.